Right, now this might look like an ordinary Bob4 Doblo catering van, but this one's a bit special. We've got a customer that's ordered 3 of these. Now, firstly, we can't get this chassis cab new anymore, but there are some second-hand ones about that we can actually build on. Most of them are only a couple of years old and low mileage. We can build this conversion onto the Pro Ace, which we can get new. Pro Ace is a larger vehicle, so we have even more space than this, but this is a bit different. Now, normally, if you put a coffee machine on one of these vans, your takings fall through the floor because most people use a barista. It takes too long to serve the coffee, and half of your customers disappear because they don't want to watch you make coffee for other people. Now, with this setup, this has got a thermoplan push button machine, and it uses the same principle as what Greg's works on, whereas you order what you want, they put the coffee cup under the machine, you then carry on and serve the customer with what else they want, take their money and then hand them the coffee, and they sort their own sugar and this, that and the other out, which doesn't slow the process up at all, but you've got the added profit of the coffee that you're selling them. So I'll just open the back up and show you what we've got here. Right, now this is your hot compartment here. Next to it you've got a thermoplan coffee machine, push buttons. We can get these, like new, these machines are about 9,000 quid. We have a ready supply of used sort of machines that are in perfect working order for about 1,500 quid. So, you know, there are options there. And then round this side, this will be your cold serve. So you've got all this as cold serve here, bags of space. If anybody's worried about people nicking things while you're around the back serving coffee, all you do, you put a CCTV camera up there, even if it's a dummy, and then nobody will nick from it anyway. Go around the other side, on your spare side. This is where you have your water, your 2 water butts here. This is for where you put your milk. We've only got a little one in here at the moment because we're testing it. But you put 3 in here, you just switch over as and when required, and you've got that all as spare space. Now, obviously, you've got to have enough electricity to make this thing work. So, with modern technology, we've got 2 massive lithium batteries, which are sealed. They're based in the cab, so you lose the front seat, you've got a little tray there for putting your bits and bobs, your magic bit of kit there, what makes it all happen. And on the Pro Ace, if we were building this onto a Pro Ace, that would all be in a place where you wouldn't see it at all, and you'd still have the 3 seats in the front of the Pro Ace. But it opens up a complete new market, as you can expect. So anyway, that's the vehicle. So this is sold. It's one that's we built a prototype and it's working very well. They've ordered another 2. This is one of those. That might turn into more, hopefully. But very successful on the round, and they're reporting, you know, takings going up, which is really good. So if you're interested in anything like this, just give me a ring. Ring Bob on 0777 590 3640. We can literally do anything you ask, really, within reason, on any vehicle. So we're also jumping into the Meals on Wheels market as well, so we can convert existing chiller vans into hot compartments on the back, and there's loads of different things. If you check out our other videos, you'll see what basically we do. But that's, say, a new concept that we've managed to actually make work. But and also, it doesn't hinder the round. You know, if you've got a barista on one of these machines, it just will not work. Certainly takings wise. So, any questions? Just give me a ring, and we'll see what we can do. You can get me on the number 0777 590 3640. 7 days a week, 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock. Cheers.